What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So the crypto market is not going so well. We could say in the last maybe hour or two, things have been looking pretty green. But compared to how things have been going for the past couple of days or months, or technically a year, not looking that great. So, one position I wanted to talk about that everybody wants my opinion on to see whether we are going to see maybe another zero is Terra Classic, right? Terra Classic is currently at a very low price compared to where it was previously, already gaining a zero. And people are already asking the question, hey, things are falling down more. Is it going to gain another zero? And do you trust it? Are you somebody that's going to hold on to the position? And why are you going to hold on to the position? Now, remember, all these videos are not financial advice, right? Everybody likes to claim that and say it's not financial advice, do your own research, all that other stuff. Well, yes, it's not financial advice. You need to do your own research because everything that I say doesn't really stick with your strategy. Your strategy may be completely different than how I trade, right? I make successful trades here and there. I do have failures of trades, and not everything is going to be, knocking it out of the park, right? I think I said that. Knocking it out of the park. I had to separate that more. But not everything is like that. So when you see positions that I invest into or the reasons why I am holding it, those are my reasons, and it's not necessarily your reasons. So make sure you factor that in when you're making your decision to sell, to buy, to hold on, whatever you have there. But anyways, let's talk about Terra Classic. Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, if you guys could check out some of the links down below, it does help out the channel. I have my Twitter, which we hit 6,000 followers. We're at like 6,100. So if you want to help me get to 7,000, that's great. We're on the road to 10,000. So definitely hit that follow button over there. And if you guys want to join the Discord group, you can join the Lunatics Discord group, which is not mine, but I am a part of. You can always message me. You can always private message me if you get the right Matthew Perry, because people do try and scam people. So I'm sorry. How is this fly still here? I thought I killed it. I thought I got it. But we'll have to deal with it throughout this video. Hopefully it doesn't bother me. Anyways, like I said, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's go ahead and dive into this. So Terra Classic, it's currently at 0.00006368. It's down 11% in the last 24 hours. You saw it at the lows of 5761. So it actually was down quite a bit from where it is now. And you see it at the high of 0.000072. Now, we notice that the market is down a significant amount. That's lower than that $1 trillion market cap, which is kind of insane. And we can talk about in like another video. But I talked about that in a live stream, and it was just crazy to see that it's below $1 trillion market cap. But apparently we're in a recession. So what we want to look at next is the market cap. The current market cap is at $416 million. It's down again 11%. You're going to see the circulating supply and the max supply, which is the things we really want to focus on. And then also the volume. The volume is not up or down quite a bit, right? And we're seeing it at $179 million worth of volume in the last 24 hours. Now, that's not the max volume that we've seen. If we had that 1.2% burn tax implemented, then that wouldn't really have a massive effect on, what's going on here, right? We would see a burn, but it wouldn't be as big of a burn as we would hope, right? Looking at $1 billion market cap, or not $1 billion market cap, $1 billion volume, or $500 million volume, or something like that. If we look at how it has been moving over the last day, you can see based on the visuals, I know a lot of people are visual learners or visual people. You can see that it was consolidated, did consolidate around this level, really that 0.00006 level before decreasing all the way down here. You see it leveling out, and then you see it up here at the low 0.00006 level, right? The low twos, low threes. You're seeing it up here in the basically 0.00007 level, kind of like where Shiba Inu was close to its highs, right? if you look at the last 7 days, it has, really been leveling out from some of these levels. We did see it drop all the way down here. On the 8th, we saw it drop down lower than where it is at these lows, which is kind of crazy because if you look at the entire market, how it's pulling back so far, things are at lower levels than they've ever been. And you're seeing, Terra Classic that really had kind of a pump after hitting some of these lows on the 8th, and it's the 13th, and now it's really consolidating, to tell you the truth. So do I believe that this is going to make a move down any further? Well, it does look like if we are going to see this continuation of this recession, right, where we're worried about interest, we're worried about all of these, not interest, inflation. We're worried about inflation. We're worried about gas prices, the price of everything, right? Institutions are obviously selling, creating fear, and that fear trickles down to regular people, and those regular people are holding some of these plays thinking, hey, you know what? I'm going to sell and get in at the bottom and get more, right? Some of those people sell and don't find a way to get in at the bottom. They end up catching it on the way up, back basically where they bought it at or where they sold it at, or maybe even a little bit above that. And then they end up losing, out on the deal. But for me, yes, I do believe that it will fall back down. I'm hopeful that we can see it, not gain another zero. If it does gain another zero, I'm okay with it. I don't care either way. I've already made money from Terra Classic. Yes, I did put it into other positions, which I'm hoping those come back and make moves. But I already made money from Terra Classic. So everything that I'm looking at here is all gravy. So I treat it differently than you may treat it. So do I believe that this is going to come back? I'm not 100% sure if we're going to see another zero. I think we will see a strong support level above that where we will break or, we won't gain another zero where it'll be 0.00000, like 9 or 8 or something like that. I don't believe that will happen. Now, there is a lot of speculation around Do Kwon and his actions with Terra 2.0 and Terra Classic and everything that's implemented within the proposals. There's a lot of speculation in there and saying that he had a large input in getting things to pass and how he does a lot of malicious things. And it's not really a great sign to not believe in, Do Kwon, but then believe in this Terra Classic. But then if you think about it, Terra Classic is really driven by the community, even though Do Kwon has a large or a big ability to, affect Terra Luna Classic or change Terra Luna Classic. So you kind of have to see what's going on with him versus, seeing what the community is building. So, anyways, I have 20 million. If you're not familiar with what I do have, let me go ahead and change it. I think I'm in the Ethereum network. So I do have 20 million. I still hold on to my 20 million as it is dropping down 20.176393 million. That's how much I have in Terra Luna Classic. And am I letting any of that go? No. Again, I treat it differently because I already gained something from it, and now I'm sitting on 20 million and waiting for that to make a move and see what it does. If it does gain another zero, I will buy more. The reason being is because it's so cheap to buy some that I can gain everything that I had back plus a lot more and sit on that. Kind of like what I'm doing with Shiba Inu, where I'm buying more and I'm sitting on what I'm holding. So it's kind of a difficult situation that we're in, right? You see the entire market pulling back. You see Terra Classic pulling back. You see all the speculation within, Terra Classic or, Terra itself, right? Terra 2.0, Terra Classic, everything that is in that ecosystem. And you really question, whether it's a good position to be in. But for me, I think it's a really, really good position. I think it's something that has potential. And for me, it's not driven by the massive use case that it has, because I don't believe it does have that. It's mainly driven by the fact that it's a low risk to high reward potential. And if I do lose my $40 that I invested, which I can't because I already pocketed money out of it. So if I lose whatever I'm invested here, it's not going to hurt me. It's not going to kill me. It's not going to end my investing career, right? So It's purely just on speculation. But anyways, guys, let me know what you think about this. Will we see another zero? These are the questions that I'm getting. Are we going to see a brand new zero introduced to Terra Classic? And if we are, what am I going to do? Well, I told you, I'm going to buy more. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.